Hello, friends. Uh, I just came from my uh, reading my some articles, and I thought I should make people aware on this. This is a news from United Kingdom, and there's a bad news coming out from there. It is about the country shutting down. Now, this is really bad. Why it's bad is because UK is going to shut down, and it's going to affect a lot of world economies. It's going to affect countries like US, it's going to affect India, it's going to affect a lot of countries. And why it's bad is because they're talking about high number of COVID-19 cases, and you're talking about restaurants being closed, schools, colleges already being closed. You're talking about number of cases increase. Now this is the real bad news about COVID. Okay, you're talking about this disease going out of hand. And this is an article from the newspaper called Mint. And let's see what Mint says. It's got a prime minister wearing a mask. Okay, you'll not see an American prime president wearing a mask. You'll not see any country head of state wearing a mask. That is something which I was really wondering for a long time. Why do these people don't wear masks? Now you've got these people wearing masks, which shows the seriousness. From the top of a country, people are wearing masks, and you're talking about cases like 50,000 per day in UK in the next 1 month or so. So what he's saying is he's telling people to sit at home. He's ordered all restaurants, pubs to close, and he said hospitality will be affected, schools will be open. And the most funny thing is, in spite of all this, it's not really clear if UK can fight COVID-19. And what they expect is by mid-October the cases would come up to 50,000. And this is a really bad situation. And it's going to affect their economy, it's going to affect their country, and it's going to affect the way the restaurants, hotels, businesses work in UK. And some businesses cannot work. For example, you've got manufacturing, construction, and retail, which cannot work from home, and hotels need to work from through table service only. And you've got some emergency meetings, and he said this is going to be bad. Now it's just not UK which is having this scenario. Even a country like India, we are talking about, today it was less 75,000 cases, but overall you're talking about 90,000 to 1 lakh cases. I would say even in India 75,000 1 lakh is also very less. The real numbers must be very high. And another article we got from Hindustan Times is, this article says is, this COVID-19 can reach, what it says is, he's talking about this lasting for 6 months, and it can kill hundreds of people. And 10 p.m. curfew for hotels, pubs, and compulsory wearing of mask. Another thing he talks is about work from home. Wedding is limited to 15 people, and is talking about Christmas. Christmas is a big thing in UK. Christmas may not be celebrated as before, and the normal rules have to be followed: wash hands, cover faces, observe social distancing, and follow social rules. So this is what UK has to tell the world. It's not a good news, and corona is not going to get solved anytime soon. There's not going to be any medicine, I suppose. So this is the new normal, and there might not be any Christmas also this year. So we are talking about a year long situation on COVID. So that's all from me. Bye, guys. Take care.